Hello all, you are welcome back again to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful neck design. I marked a neck width of about 3 inches and a neck depth of about 7 inches. From that point, I came out by 3 inches and I'll be connecting all the points. First, I drew my vertical line and I'll go ahead to draw the horizontal line. From that point at the top, I'll be coming down by 5 inches, and on that 5 inches point, I will come out by 1 inch. I will get my curved ruler to make a curve, just as you can see me do. Then I'll get my straight ruler to connect the remaining part. Very easy. The next thing I'll be doing is to cut out. For the back neckline, I came down by 1 inch and marked 3 inches for the width. I've also cut that out. So this is how it looks when opened up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be uploading the remaining part of the tutorial soonest. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Bye.